Why outsource to Vietnam? Outsourcing your business has become the trend of the day. More and more global companies are choosing to outsource their business due to a number of reasons. Nowadays, Vietnam is the favorite destination for international companies. So, why outsource to Vietnam? Vietnam has been providing a range of outsourcing services to countries across the globe. Outsourcing to Vietnam can help your organization benefit from cost-effective services, high-quality services, reduced operating costs, and more time to focus on core competences. Greater flexibility and faster time to market, amongst others. These are just a few reasons why companies outsource to Vietnam. Below, you can find more reasons about why Vietnam remains a favorite outsourcing destination. 1. Vietnam offers pricing options. The number one reason why Vietnam remains a top outsourcing provider in Asia is due to the significant cost savings that companies can achieve. This is mainly because of the wide gap that exists between personnel costs in Vietnam and that of the developed countries. For example, a good engineer in the US can cost anywhere from $30 to $50 an hour for a full-time staffer, depending on skills and experience. In comparison, the hourly cost of an engineer in Vietnam can be negotiated down to as low as $10 per hour. This pricing flexibility allows companies the freedom and creativity in managing their budget and helps them achieve large profits. 2. Vietnam provides consistent high-quality services. While the cost factor plays a huge role in outsourcing, the consistently high quality provided by many Vietnamese outsourcing firms has also enabled Vietnam to remain as the top outsourcing destination in Asia, reflected on the trend commonly seen among international companies who choose Vietnam as their preferred outsourcing destination. 3. Vietnam has large, young, talented human resources in the world. Vietnam remains the impressiveness when it comes to its vast pool of skilled and talented human resources. The country has a population of over 98 million people and around 200,000 graduates are added to the workforce each year. The attraction of Vietnam for you is not only numbers but, more importantly, the quality of the talent. We've taken on people who are innovative and creative and can really contribute to the business. That is why companies choose Vietnam, among other countries, for their outsourcing needs. 4. Vietnamese companies provide the quick time to market. Vietnam outsourcing companies are able to provide the quick time to market due to the advantages gained by time zone differences. The 14-hour time difference between Vietnam and the USA provides companies with numerous opportunities for work to be completed earlier than expected, leading to greater efficiency, increased productivity, and more time to focus on their crucial tasks. The time difference makes Vietnam an ideal option for clients who wish to outsource various service-related options. Above are a few reasons why your company should choose Vietnam among other countries for your outsourcing needs.